Hello, I'm Mark Roderick, and I am both a recipient of care and a Social Care Wales board member. I think we sometimes use the term social worker without taking the time to think about what a social worker is and what they mean to us as individuals and as a society. As both a recipient of care and a Social Care Wales board member, I am lucky enough to see the good work they do from both sides. So in my opinion, social workers are advocates, friends, and pillars of strength for people that often feel they live in the shadows of society. They provide essential support and resources to individuals, ensuring everyone receives the help they need regardless of their background or circumstances. The irony, though, is that their tireless work all too often goes unrecognized or unnoticed, and yet its positive impact affects so many in so many ways. I have personally relied on their help to guide me through difficult times over the years and got that help with patience, whilst being offered the practical solutions and emotional support that I needed. I have witnessed firsthand the transformative power of a social worker's empathy and perseverance. The belief they had in my potential fueled my own self-belief, which ultimately steered me to where I am today. Social media can sometimes amplify negativity and paint a grim picture of our society. But social workers consistently embody the essence of compassion and dedication. Despite dealing with challenging situations, they remain committed to helping others and promoting social justice. To so many, they are unsung heroes, the fifth emergency service, who diligently serve on the front lines, making our community stronger, more resilient, more humane, and more enjoyable. To every social worker listening, thank you. The benevolence and understanding shown to me gave me a sense of purpose that I will never forget. You are the silent heartbeat of our society, and your positive impact is immeasurable. Diolch.